I was able to get here on time. So today, and I got a comment like this saying that I should create a video concerning a scalping strategy, which I've already made a video concerning that. So I'm just going to give you guys a scalping strategy right here. And yes, before we move on to the video, I have a very interesting artwork that I just did, and I want you guys to see it. So please make sure to do what the artwork says. Please just do what the artwork says. I know that was a very, it was not a talented artwork. So I hope you guys loved my artwork, and with that being said, man, go check in the description because I have some, the broker I recommend for you guys. Make sure to check that out in the description. So with that being said, or whatever we have said now, we're going to move over the strategy. So enjoy. Hello guys, welcome to my mobile, and here I'm going to show you this scalping strategy. Come on, it's about to go down, man. So yeah, I want to show you guys this thing real quick. If you guys can take a look at my spread. Can you guys see that? This is the type of spread you need for scalping, and I have the right broker for that. Make sure you go check in the description. I have the broker. Check, there's a broker that I recommend, HOTFOREX. It gives you this perfect, perfect spread for scalping. You understand? Whenever you want to scalp, you have to have the right spread, the right broker, and the right strategy. So with all this will give you success in trading as a scalper. So yeah, I want to give you guys the things you guys need to know in terms of scalping strategy. Then we'll move over to the strategy itself. So the first thing about this is that you have to be focused on your 1 minute and your 5 minute time frame. Although I'm in the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour. So today has been a rough day, as you can see, because the market is actually ranging. So I didn't take any trade today. That's for me. So whenever I notice these kind of things, I don't actually trade. Like example, today I didn't trade just because of I don't like this choppy stuffs. But as a scalper, maybe you can get little moves here and there in that. But yeah, that's just it. So let's move back to the 5 minutes and 1 minute chart so that we can have a clear perspective of how scalping looks like. So here we move over to the 5 minute time frame. You can see how the 5 minute time frame is, and you guys, like, seriously, if you're not using before I start this strategy, like, if you're not using an indicator, come on, there's something wrong, please. Like, I next to feel that you're not doing the right thing if you're not using an indicator. Please do not. I understand that there's a strategy called price action strategy, but please, the banks does not use price action. I'm telling you guys the truth. Like, if you take it that the banks use price action, then you're making yourself a clown, honestly. But please, because of you guys, a little bit or tip of that strategy so that you guys can use it in your own favor. But you need to know the kind of time frame you trade. Although with this type of spread, I can trade more or less like almost everything I see. I can take a move and just few pips, I'm already in profit. So make sure you go check in the description for this for this type of broker to give you this type of spread. So with that being said, yeah, we are moving over to the strategy. And whether you're using an iOS device or an Android device, you can add an indicator to your system. But here I'm using an Android device. So what you want to do is that you have to go to your what will I say again? Your indicator section. Sometimes I do tend to forget that. So you have to go to your indicator section. So yeah, and you can see a couple of indicators. I'm sorry for that. You can see a couple of indicators. Which was this? Okay, you can see a couple of indicators: trend indicator, oscillator, volumes, Bill Williams. People that made names in this forex industry. But let's go over to the trend, and we're going to move over to the moving average. So the moving average is what it is. So yeah, in this moving average, you have to set the setting. You have to have a good setting of the moving average. Different numbers in the moving average actually mean different things, mean different supports, means different resistance. But in this one, we are going to use the 20 moving average. So I'll change that to be 20 moving average. Then we are going to change the pixels to be red. We are going to change this to be 2 pixels. Sorry, the color to be red and the pixels to be 2. So that's with it on this one. So we have to hit on done. Then what's this? Come on, sorry. It's like, okay, I added something envelope, so I don't. Okay, so as you guys can see in the chart, the the red moving average is already there. So then you have to add another indicator, which is still the moving average again, but this time it's going to be the 25 moving average. So yeah, we'll add 25. Then you guys could make this 25 moving average green. Make the 25 moving average green. So when you're done with that, just hit done. You understand? So once you have that, come on, you're ready to be a pro scalper. Come on, let's get this ball rolling. So although some scalpers don't like the 5-minute time frame, I understand. They just want to get in and out of the market. So I'll use this strategy on the 1 minute. So let's go over to the 1 minute time frame. And as you can see, look at the 1 minute time. Just take a look at how small this spread is on the 1 minute time frame. Come on, you guys need to sign up for this broker. I'm helping you guys. I'm giving you guys this broker for free. Not like I'm charging anything for you guys to use this broker. So as you guys can see here, this is the strategy. So I want to move into a well trending market, because as a human or as a trader, you want to be using a trend. You want to be following a trend in order to get the direction of the market. You have to be using the trend. So let's go to a good trending market and we'll use that. So okay, let's use this for an example. So I'm going to explain how you can enter and how you can go out of this. You understand? I'm going to show you guys how you can enter and when you can go out. So let me just pull up a tool here. Where is that though? Arrow line. Okay, let me just draw this out. I hate when this arrow line, come on. Okay, as you guys can see right here, the entry for this strategy is when price goes below the moving average. Once price goes below the moving average, that is an indication of sell. And not just that, when let me give you guys an example here. You can see in this area, I'm sorry, can I have that tool right again? I don't know why this MetaTrader 4 seems to be a bit glitchy, or can I say? Well, let me give this example right here. As you can see in this area, you can see in this area here, price went below the moving average, and literally, if you use what I said, I said whenever price goes below the moving average, you should sell. So using what I said, this kind of means that you should sell. But I want to give you guys an extra confirmation with this strategy. So you don't just sell when the price goes down below the moving average. You have to wait for the crossing of the moving average. I want to show you guys something right here now. So you saw that price went below the moving average, right? But did the moving average cross? There was no crossovers on the moving average, so that is not a confirmation for a sell. So that is just like a fake out. So this strategy helps you to find out fake outs. You understand? This strategy helps you to find out fake outs. So look at it. You can see it there. You can see it. No, no crossovers or anything. So I want to show you guys here. Once price went below the moving average, come on. Oh man. Sometimes I think I need to bring up another arrow, but you guys could see what I'm saying. But let me pull up another arrow, please. Let me pull up another arrow. So get this arrow. So I want to show you guys right here. As you guys can see here, like once price went below the moving average, you could see the crossover. This crossover means, you can see the crossover right here. This crossover actually means that price is going for a sell. And once that crossover happened, you can see the rest assurance that price was holding. Sorry, the moving average was holding it for you to have a nice sell. And you can see that if you actually held that trade to this point here where it went out, come on, wait, like, oh my god, I hope this does not this I hope you guys are understanding what I was saying. So I'm trying to find out that point where yeah, okay, I've gotten it. So if you guys held the trade till when price went above the moving average, that means you guys have made hell of profit as a scalper. So you guys have seen it. I've showed you guys this strategy with the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, you guys could see 1 minute time frame. You guys can have a strategy down pat that can help you make money in the forex market. But you don't have to use this strategy when the market is consolidating. Like once the market is ranging, I'm sorry, this, the strategy is ineffective. But this strategy will tell you when the market is consolidating. How would this strategy show you when the market is consolidating? Once you notice that, I want to use this. Can I use this? Oh my god, yeah, once you find out that the moving average is kind of moving at the middle of the candlestick, you have to know that price is in a consolidation. So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, smash that like button beyond anything. Just smash that like button, destroy the like button. I just want you guys to destroy the like button, destroy the subscribe button too. It's not left out behind. So make sure you guys do this for your boy Malvin. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you go subscribe. And with that being said, man, we're out.